Typically, architects will place lighting fixtures in the architectural model. It really seems like a waste of time and a duplication of work to place lighting fixtures in the MEP model over the architectural fixtures. The Copy Monitor tool works great for copying the lighting fixtures from the architectural model to the MEP model. The lighting fixtures must be placed in the architectural model though. It is helpful to be able to use the architect's model because Revit will then tell you when they move. As you can see, the lighting fixtures have been placed in one room in the architectural model. They are not in the MEP model because I cannot select them. To use the Copy Monitor tool in Revit, navigate to the Collaborate ribbon and expand the Copy Monitor drop-down from the Coordinate panel. Choose Select Link from the drop-down. Then move into the drawing area and select the architectural link. Once you have selected the link, the ribbon changes to a Copy Monitor contextual ribbon, and there are several options in the Tools panel. Before we copy the lighting fixtures from the architectural model, we need to take a look at the coordination settings. Select Coordination Settings to open the Coordination Settings dialog. In the category list, you can see that there are numerous categories that can be copied and monitored from another Revit model. I'll select Lighting Fixtures. When you select a category on the left, the parameters in the Behavior panel populate. There are actually only two parameters, Copy Behavior and Mapping Behavior. When I click in the Copy Behavior field and expand the drop-down, there are three options: Allow Batch Copy, Copy Individually, and Ignore Category. Allowing batch copy will allow the category to be copied in batch mode. Note that if multiple categories are set to this option, they will all be copied when the batch copy tool is used. You will have to coordinate with other disciplines or make sure that the other categories are not set to allow batch copy before using the batch copy tool. The next option is Copy Individually. This allows each fixture to be copied individually from the selected model. Finally, Ignore Category does not copy any fixtures from this category. To speed up the process, we will use Allow Batch Copy, but we'll also look through the other categories and make sure that they are not set to allow batch copy. I just want to bring in one category at a time. Back to the lighting fixture category, the other behavior option is Mapping Behavior. There are two options here, Copy Original or Specify Type Mapping. Copy Original will copy the exact fixture type used in the selected model to the MEP model. You can also choose Specify Type Mapping. This will allow you to change the family type in the selected model to the family type that you desire to use. When I select this option, a Type Mapping branch appears in the category list under Lighting Fixtures. When I select Type Mapping, a table appears in the Behavior panel. All of the lighting fixture family types that have been loaded into the selected model appear in the column on the left. Then you can specify which family type to use in the host model for each type in the linked model. So when the architect uses standard lighting fixture families, you can use your company's standard lighting fixtures to replace those. The lighting fixture is still copied and monitored, only a different type will be placed in the host model. However, realize that the family must be loaded into the host model in order for it to be selected in the host model column. The other options are Copy Original Type and Don't Copy this type. Also, with a row selected, you can choose Linked Type to open the Type Properties dialog for that family type in the linked model, or choose Host Type if a family type is selected in the host model column. For this example, I'll just choose Copy Original Type for each family type in the linked model. Then I will select Save and Close. In order to copy all of the lighting fixtures at once, select Batch Copy from the Tools panel in the contextual ribbon. Revit displays a Fixtures Found dialog. Here, you can choose to specify type mapping behavior and copy fixtures, or copy the fixtures. Since we've already specified the type mapping behavior, choose Copy the Fixtures. Revit may display a Levels Not Set dialog if you did not use the Copy Monitor tool to copy the levels from the linked model. I'll choose Continue Copying Fixtures. Revit will now copy all categories that are set to Allow Batch Copy from the linked model to the host model. To end the command, click Finish in the Copy Monitor panel of the contextual ribbon. Now, to illustrate the power of the Copy Monitor tool, I will open up the architectural link and move the lighting fixtures. From the Application menu, select Open, Project. Then navigate to the folder where the arch_link_cm.rbt file is located, select the file, and choose Open. A dialog will appear stating that the file is linked into one or more open documents, and that opening the file will unload the link. Select Yes. Then another dialog will appear stating that unloading the link cannot be undone. Once again, select Yes. When the file opens, zoom into the south portion of the building and move some of the lighting fixtures a short distance. Next, click Save on the Quick Access toolbar. Then expand the Application menu and choose Close. Back in the MEP model, you can see that the architectural model has been unloaded. To reload the model, switch to the Manage ribbon. In the Manage Projects panel, click Manage Links. In the Manage Links dialog, select the only link and choose Reload at the bottom. Once Revit reloads the model, a warning appears stating that a linked Revit file needs coordination review. Select OK to close the warning, and then click OK to close the Manage Links dialog. Notice that the lighting fixtures in the background have changed. I need to perform a coordination review now. On the Collaborate ribbon, in the Coordinate panel, expand the Coordination Review drop-down and choose Select Link. Then in the Drawing area, select the architectural link. Once I do, a Coordination Review dialog appears. In this dialog, the items that need to be coordinated are organized in a tree structure. Currently, it is grouped by status, category, and then rule, but you can change this. As you can see, a branch appears for each lighting fixture that was moved. If you expand the relative position of two fixtures changed branch, you can see the actual element in each model that should be in the same location. For each item, we need to specify an action. When I click in the Action field and expand the drop-down, you can see that the available options are Postpone, Reject, Accept Difference, and Move Instance of Fixture. For each item, I will choose Move Instance of Fixture. Realize that you can also add a comment. If you do not wish to move your fixtures, you can select one of the other options and then coordinate with other members of the design team to resolve the issue. I'll click OK to close the dialog. Back in the Drawing area, you can see that the lighting fixtures have updated to match the linked model.